The RS-28 Sarmat, often referred to in the West as Satan II, is one of the most powerful intercontinental ballistic missiles ever developed. Designed by Russia as a successor to the aging R-36M, it represents a leap forward in strategic deterrence and missile technology. Weighing over 200 tons and stretching more than 35 meters in length, it is a weapon built to ensure Russia maintains a credible nuclear deterrent in an evolving global security landscape. While missiles are rarely praised for their destructive potential, the Sarmat has drawn worldwide attention because of its unprecedented capabilities and the strategic implications it carries. At the core of the RS-28 Sarmat's design is its extraordinary payload capacity. Reports indicate it can carry up to 10 large nuclear warheads or as many as 15 smaller ones, each capable of being independently targeted. This feature, known as MIRV multiple independently targetable reentry vehicle technology, makes it extremely difficult for any missile defense system to intercept all of its warheads. Even if some were neutralized, others would still likely reach their targets. This design ensures that the Sarmat can penetrate even the most advanced missile defense networks, a key aspect of modern deterrence strategy. Another striking feature of the Sarmat is its range. Capable of striking targets over 11,000 kilometers away, it can reach virtually any location on Earth. Unlike older missiles that were limited to predictable trajectories, the RS-28 can take unconventional flight paths, even approaching targets from the South Pole rather than the traditional North Pole route. This flexibility greatly complicates the job of missile defense planners, who must prepare for threats from multiple directions. By bypassing established radar coverage and defense systems, the Sarmat enhances Russia's ability to guarantee a retaliatory strike under any scenario. The missile also incorporates advanced countermeasures designed to outwit enemy defenses. These include decoys, maneuverable reentry vehicles, and possibly hypersonic glide vehicles capable of flying at extreme speeds while altering their paths mid-flight. Such technologies reduce the chances of interception to near zero. In practice, this means the Sarmat is not just a weapon of offense, but also a symbol of Russia's commitment to ensuring that no adversary can contemplate a first strike without facing devastating consequences in return. This balance of fear and restraint has long been the foundation of nuclear deterrence. Development of the RS-28 Sarmat has been underway since the early 2000s, with official testing beginning in the last decade. Russian officials have frequently highlighted it as proof of their country's technological prowess and ability to maintain strategic parity with the United States and NATO. In an era when missile defense systems are becoming increasingly sophisticated, the Sarmat is presented as an answer to the fear that such defenses might undermine the deterrent value of Russia's arsenal. By showcasing a missile that is effectively unstoppable, Russia sends a clear message: its strategic security cannot be neutralized by defensive technology. The global reaction to the Sarmat has been mixed. On one hand, military analysts acknowledge it as an engineering marvel, combining sheer size, range, and versatility. On the other, it is a reminder of the persistent threat of nuclear conflict in the 21st century. For nations advocating for disarmament, the missile underscores how far the world still is from reducing reliance on nuclear weapons. Instead of moving toward arms control, great powers are investing in ever more sophisticated means of destruction. The RS-28 thus symbolizes both technological achievement and the troubling persistence of Cold War-era dynamics. From a purely technical standpoint, the missile is a masterpiece of rocketry. Its use of modernized fuel systems, lightweight materials, and digital guidance ensure not only reliability but also accuracy. The precision with which it can deliver its warheads makes it a formidable tool of deterrence, ensuring adversaries must account for it in every strategic calculation. Beyond military use, it represents decades of accumulated expertise in missile design, the culmination of Russia's long history as a pioneer in space and missile technology. Ultimately, the RS-28 Sarmat is more than just a weapon. It is a statement of intent, a declaration that Russia will remain a central player in global nuclear strategy for decades to come. It pushes the boundaries of what an intercontinental ballistic missile can achieve, combining immense power with advanced survivability against defenses. Whether viewed as a threat or a technological wonder, it cannot be ignored. Its presence will continue to shape international security discussions, reminding the world that even in an age of cyber warfare and artificial intelligence, the most fearsome tools of deterrence still rest on the raw power of intercontinental ballistic missiles.